Welcome to WhatGear reviews for the Huawei P40 Pro moon zoom test. The moon is up there somewhere right now. You ready? Let's go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick moon zoom test on the Huawei P40 Pro. Let me know what you thought of the results of those photos. And if you want to check out how the Oppo Find X2 Pro handles a moon zoom test, then there's a thumbnail on screen right now. I've also got a camera comparison between these two phones coming very soon, so turn on your notifications for that. And if you enjoyed this one, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man. I'll see you in the next one. Don't be late.